By the end of the 19th century, Buda Castle had lost its military importance, and its outdated walls rather defaced than defended it. Following the reconstruction of Matthias Church led by Frigyes Schulek in 1895, by his concept, the gloomy walls behind the church were replaced by a new, yet medieval-looking Neo-Romanesque structure, the Fisherman's Bastion. The building, reminiscent to a fairy tale castle, adorned with towers, terraces, staircases and archways, had become the most famous lookout of Budapest with an astonishing view of the city. Even the Emperor Franz Joseph I, who visited it in 1903, must have been stunned by the view, which was totally different of what he saw 35 years ago when he was crowned as king in Matthias Church. During this time, Budapest had developed into a flourishing metropolis, whose nearly all famous landmarks can be seen from here. The Danube with its beautiful bridges, Margaret Island, the Parliament Building, St. Stephen's Basilica, Ghellert Hill with the Citadel and Liberty statue are all part of this view. Those have good eyes can even spot Hero Square with the Millennium Monument in the distance. Its name was given in the honor of the fishermen, who were also brave soldiers, and it was their duty to defend this stretch of the wall during sieges. In the Middle Ages, the area below Fisherman's Bastion was called the town of Fisherman. The fishermen, who delivered fresh fish to the fish market located near Matthias Church, used a narrow footpath cut into the wall. The Jesuits, who had been accommodated in Matthias Church, later replaced it by a narrow staircase, which had been transformed into an impressive stairway by the architect that bears his name. The 7 towers represent the 7 Hungarian tribes who conquered Hungary in 896. The towers are connected with closed arcades, reminiscent to Roman-style cloisters, with open terraces on their top. Fisherman's Bastion is one of the greatest attractions of Budapest, which is not only famous for its breathtaking views, but also for its own architectural beauty.